Hey, what's up guys, how you all doing? I'm Paul the Tech Giant and welcome back to the channel. Now the other day I posted up a video demonstrating my latest LG TV and many of you guys commented on the demo footage that I displayed and asked me where I got it from. Well, believe it or not, it is already on the TV, but it is hidden. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can access that hidden footage that is available on many modern LG TVs and really show off what that TV is capable of. Now for this demonstration, I'm going to be using the 65-inch LG G5 OLED, but this will work on many other LG TVs. So what we're going to do first is just quickly go along to the apps bar and to the media player. Now you notice that in here we do have some samples, but they are just some basic pictures and a few pieces of music. But believe it or not, there are more to be had. So how do we access them? So first off, we grab our remote control, hold down on the settings button for a long press. Once in our main settings, we need to go down to support and then all the way down to home/store mode. Now in here you'll see that we're already on home mode, and that's the regular mode that you will use at home. But what we're going to do, we're going to change this up to store mode. And now we are going to click on yes. So if we now go to the home menu once again and we scroll along and we go to the media player, we will now see that we actually have access to some hidden demo footage. And much of this footage is in very high quality 4K HDR. Now the demo footage that you will get will depend on which model of LG TV that you have. Now I have the latest and greatest LG G5 and this is their latest piece of demo footage, but the other pieces are pretty spectacular too. And because the pieces of footage are designed to be shown in a store environment to really show the TV off at their very best, you can be sure it's going to look absolutely amazing in your own home. Now once you've finished enjoying those pieces of demo footage, it is dead simple to get back to the home mode. So all we do is grab our remote control, hold down on the settings button for a long press again, go down to support like before, down to the home store mode and click on home mode. And there you go, you are back to the original home mode once again. Now I do just want to point out that this may reset your picture settings, so it may be worth noting them down beforehand. So there you go then guys, nice little tip on how to access some hidden footage on your LG TV. Now if you have appreciated today's video, do us a favour, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this in the future, and hopefully I'll be catching you guys on the next one. Bye for now.